students. In class 9, you are going to study two books, Beehive and Moments. So today, I am going to start the first chapter, The Fun They Had, which is from your book Beehive. The Fun They Had, written by Isaac Asimov. So before you read, the story we shall read is set in the future, when books and schools as we now know them will perhaps not exist. How will children study then? So the answer is the children in the future will study through learning through computers, virtual classroom. Virtual classroom means the child will be alone in his room in front of the screen of his computer. Robotic teacher means he will not be taught by human. He will be taught by robots and they will be pre-programmed. And moving e-text. Now you might be thinking that we are also just learning now online. You are also online. So let me make you clear that because of this coronavirus, we are locked down and we have to study online. But the story which we are going to study is at that time there will be no schools, there will be no books, there will be no human teachers. So now let's start the chapter. Margie even wrote about it that night in her diary. On the page headed 17 May 2157, she wrote, "Today Tommy found a real book." She was just surprised. Means Margie was having a habit of writing diary. So on her page, what was the date written? 17th May 2157. Now you just compare. Now we are 2020 and the story is set in 2157. What she has written? Today Tommy found a real book. It was a very old book. Margie's grandfather once said that when he was a little boy, his grandfather told him that there was a time when all stories were printed on paper. So Margie's grandfather once said that when he was a little boy, his grandfather told him that there was a time when all the stories were printed on paper. They turned the pages which were yellow, means the book was very old. The color of the pages were yellow and crinkly, means with many folds or lines. And it was awfully funny to read words that stood still instead of moving the way they were supposed to on a screen. So they were astonished, they were surprised to just see that the words were still, they were not moving. And on their computer screen what is happening? The words are moving. And then when they turned back to the page before, it had the same words on it that it had when they read it the first time. So they were very much surprised because even when they turned the pages, the same words they can see. "Gee," said Tommy, "what a waste. When you are through this with the book, you just throw it always, I guess." So Tommy is just saying that, my God, it is just a wastage of pages. Our television screen must have had 1,000,000 books on it, and it's good for plenty more. I wouldn't throw it away. So he is just saying that it is the wastage of books, the wastage of page, because on their television screen many millions of books can be downloaded, means that there are millions of books stored there. I wouldn't throw it away. Same with mine, said Margie. She was 11 and hadn't seen as many telebooks as Tommy had. So here it means that Tommy had seen more telebooks compared to Margie. And what was the reason? She said, where did you, she was 11 and hadn't seen as many telebooks as Tommy had. He was 13. So Tommy was 13 and Margie was 11. That's why it is said that Tommy had seen many telebooks compared to Margie. She said, where did you find it? In my house. So Margie is asking that where you have found this book. So Tommy is saying, in my house. He pointed without looking because he was busy reading. So he was busy reading, and he did not saw Margie, and he said, in the attic. So where he has found that book? Attic means a place just below the roof used as a storeroom. What's it about school? When Tommy said that he was just reading about school, then she is just saying that what is about to know about school? Margie was scornful. School? What's there to write about school? I hate school. Margie always hated school, but now she hated it more than ever. Means here it is said that Margie never liked school, but now she just hated it more than ever. The mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test in geography, and she had been doing worse and worse until her mother had shaken her head sorrowfully and sent for the county inspector. So here it is said that Margie always hated school, but now she hated more than ever. So why is the reason? The mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test, so many tests in geography, and she was doing worse and worse. So her mother was just thinking that there is something wrong in the mechanical teacher. So she wanted to send the mechanical teacher to the county inspector. So now who is this county inspector? He was a round little man with a red face and a whole box of tools with dials and wire. So this man was a little man, his face was red, and he was having a box which was full of tools with dials and wires. He smiled at Margie and gave her an apple. So he smiled at Margie and he gave her an apple, then took the teacher apart. Margie had hoped he wouldn't know how to put it together again, but he knew how all right. And after an hour or so, there it was again, large and black and ugly, with a big screen on which all lessons were shown and questions were asked. So, Margie had hoped that that little man will take away her mechanical teacher and it will take time. But in no time, he had just brought the mechanical teacher again. So she's just very much irritated, and she's just telling about the mechanical teacher, what large, black, ugly with a big screen. Why? Because all the lessons were shown and the questions were asked. That that wasn't so bad. The part Margie hated most was the slot. So what is slot? A slot is a given space, time or position. Means a slot is a place where the children has to put their homework there. So this slot she just hated. Why? Because she has to complete her homework and she has to put her homework there for correction, where she had to put homework and test papers. She always had to write them out in a punch code. So punch code is what? It is a computing language. They made her learn when she was 6 years old. So the children at that time, they will be taught that language, computing language, at the age of 6 only. And the mechanical teacher calculated the marks in no time. So this reason she was just irritated, because now what happens when you people give your homework to your class teacher, she takes time to return you, or when you people give test, it takes time to do the correction and then to show the results. But this mechanical teacher, in no time they calculated and they just give the result to the students. The inspector had smiled after he had finished and patted Margie's head. He said to her mother, "It's not the little girl's fault, Mrs. Jones." He just said, after finishing his work, to her mother, that it's not Margie's fault. I think the geography sector was geared a little too quick. He wanted to say that it's not the fault of the girl. What was the fault there? The geography sector was geared. Geared means adjusted to a particular standard or level. Means the geography sector was just asking the questions or was asking the homework too quickly. Those things happen sometimes. Sometimes it happens like that. That it is geared and they have to and they give the homeworks or the test too quickly. I have slowed it up to an average 10 years level. So he said that he has slowed it up to an average 10 years level. Actually, the overall pattern of her progress is quite satisfactory. He said to her mother that the girl's progress is quite satisfactory. And he patted Margie's head again. Margie was disappointed. She was very unhappy. She had been hoping they would take the teacher away altogether. What she was thinking, that the little man will come, the inspector will come, and he will take his mechanical teacher, and it will take time to come back. They had once taken Tommy's teacher away for nearly a month because the history sector had blanked out completely. So why she was disappointed? Because once what happened? No, Tommy's teacher, mechanical teacher, also went wrong, and the teacher was taken away for a month. So she said to Tommy, "Why would anyone write about school?" So now just try to solve these questions. How old are Margie and Tommy? Second, what did Margie write in her diary? Third, had Margie ever seen a book before? Fourth question, what things about the book did she find strange? And the fifth question, what do you think a telebook is? So in the next video, we will solve these questions and try to find the answers of this question. Till then, stay home, stay healthy. Bye.